All right, now we are on to the Anchor Room Side Marker Light Tint. And we're going to be taking a plastic kind of piece to help us poke in around the corners. You can remove these, but for me, I find it easier just to leave it in the car. We have the stickers, and then we have a little bit of acetone on this rag. So you just kind of want to clean your area before you start. From our $1,000 gift cards that we run all year long to some of our top products from our favorite companies, or maybe even the parts that you see in our videos, we always have a good reason to sign up. There are two ways to install this. You can do a wet method or a dry method. I choose to do the dry method and finish it off with a little heat. And then I kind of lay the sticker and then I just swipe my finger down the middle like you're laying an iPhone screen protector, and then I work the bubbles out from the middle. So this is when I use the finishing tool or a little spatula to roll the sticker in around the edges. So then I take a heat gun and I heat the entire thing so we can wrap it around the edges properly and get it to adhere. And then you can wipe it down once you're done, and it's as easy as that.